It's ready! Hi everyone! I'm Rica Peralejo, Bonifacio. Hello moms and dads who are watching this out there. I am Smart Parenting's newest editor-at-large. O diba? Editor-at-large na ako ngayon. But speaking of all things new, aba, welcome to my newest kitchen. This is a kitchen that I renovated just recently. And why the renovation? It is because I was changed by motherhood. I'm pretty sure kayo rin, mga parents out there, na you have been changed by having your kids, diba? So, syempre, pag may mga anak ka na, you know that they eat 24/7. Hindi sila tumitigil sa pagkain. So, a kitchen is a must. And a really great kitchen helps you to be a kitchen goddess. And that's me today. And I'm going to share with you guys something that I learned from the best university of all the recipes in the world, TikTok University. Alright, before I teach you or share with you the simple snack that I would always make for my kids, patok yun sa kanila, I'm gonna take you on a Tita Tour. Tita Tour siya kasi ito yung mga recent discoveries ko sa kitchen. So I've got my kula. This is a water filtering system. And then I also have my coffee machine, very important. Ever since I was like a single person, tapos hindi pa ako masyadong makusina, basta dapat may coffee station ako because I'm such a coffee girl. So I love my DeLonghi automatic espresso machine. And of course, I will share with you good cup coffee beans. I highly, highly recommend it. And of course, I have a rice cooker because what kind of Filipino household is it kung walang pangluto ng kanin? And of course, this is where I'm going to do the snack. This is actually an air fryer / oven / toaster. And I'm a believer of like appliances na medyo all-in-one para space saver din, di ba? And at the same time, ang bilis mong maluto ang lahat kasama ng... Here's my spice rack. Well, I've got my oils there. And then I have my spices here. And I have my... paprika! Kaya yan ang pangalan ng segment natin kasi naniniwala ako na ang spices malakas maka-bring out ng best sa isang simple produce, di ba? Meron kang chicken, meron kang fish, lagyan mo lang salt, pepper, paprika, kung ano man na maisip mo na spices na bagay doon, di ba? It brings out the flavor, the juiciness, and the best out of what you have. So, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna have some pasta over here and I'll turn it into something that you can eat for your snack. Alright, moms and dads who are, you know, in charge of the kitchen. Kung ano man yung kailangan nyo i-prepare na snack, this is so easy to make. All you need is like your choice of pasta. Mine is elbow macaroni, pero pwede rin kayo gumamit ng penne or whatever is yung madaling, parang finger food, ganyan. And then your choice of spices also. Salt and then parmesan, grabe. Yung block of parmesan, tapos i-grate ninyo, makes a big difference. Yung alat niya kasi yung pinaka magpapa-chipsy dun sa pasta chips na gagawin natin ngayon. And then, I put parsley flakes. And then also garlic powder. Yan, mga kakampi ninyo sa kitchen, garlic powder. And then olive oil. Meron din mga nagsasuggest na why not try cinnamon to make it more sweet, tapos sugar. So I guess you can tweak it to your liking kung gusto nyo ba na maalat o di kaya matamis. So bahala na kayo with whatever you're gonna put there. But the basic premise is pasta, boil it, then put whatever spice you can put in it to make it taste the way you want it to taste, and then put it in the air fryer, which is what we're going to do right now. Basically, this is my air fryer, so I'm going to put it on the air fry mode, and then lalagay ko lang lahat ng pasta dito. Yan, ikakalat mo. Then I'm gonna set it to like 200. If you feel like kulang pa yung asin ninyo or yung alat, pwede nyo naman din dagdagan. Like any chips, di ba? Paglabas, yung medyo tostado na siya, pwede nyo pa rin dagdagan naman ng spice na kulang sa kanya. So, naka-air fry mode, and then we'll put it to around 200 for about a little over, dapat 10 minutes, pero siguro gawin natin 12. So, we'll wait for about a few minutes. It's ready! After 12 minutes, it is ready. ASMR experience for you guys. I hope that you get to try what I shared with you guys today. And if you ever end up trying it nga, let us know in the comment section below kung how did it turn out for you? Does it work well with your kids? Do your kids like it? Kailangan kids approved itong mga ginagawa natin. And moving forward, I hope to share with you a lot of other things, anything and everything under the sun that's popular for when it comes to parenting for today. Mahirap mag-parent kaya kailangan mag-share tayo ng ating knowledge and experience. And you're going to see me regularly on PopRica, which is going to be Smart Parenting's latest vlog, exclusive on Smart Parenting's YouTube channel. And I'll see you again next time.